Hello everyone. Okay, in this video we are going to start working on our SKUgrid database. So in the previous video you saw how I synced SKUgrid to eBay and then had SKUgrid scan my eBay store. So now SKUgrid has a database of all of my eBay listings. Unfortunately at the moment the supplier is set to the eBay item link, and I can't have that. We need to have it be looking at the actual supplier of the item, which is a Walmart link. So we're going to go over here and click Export CSV. And this is going to make a CSV file, which stands for comma separated value. It's going to make a file that contains all of our items, and it's going to be in the format that SKUgrid wants. So then all we have to do is just match each eBay item link with a link of the supplier. So that's going to take a little bit, but I'm going to show you how I'm doing it, knowing that that is not the fastest way. It's just a way. And you could use Google Sheets. I'm going to use Excel simply because I don't feel like doing the upload and open in Google Sheets. Okay. Okay, so here, let's change. First, we want to change this format really quick. This is just me being picky. I don't actually have to do this. We're going to change it to a number, and then we're going to move the decimal point over. There we go. But really, what we need is, all right, this is a lot of information, guys. I'm sorry. What I'm going to do is hide everything that doesn't matter. That's a trick I learned I can do recently, which is cool. Did not know that was a thing. Can we unselect one column? No, we can't. Okay. So we're going to hide everything except for the vendor URL. That we need to change. Why is the compare item? I don't know why that one's there. Anyway, don't worry about that. So I'm going to get rid of the irrelevant information. We're going to hide the local ID. We're going to hide all of this stuff. And now we have our list of eBay items. Okay. So what we need to do now is replace all of these links with the links of the supplier. And you could do this one by one in SKUgrid, but then you'd have to wait for SKUgrid every single item, and I don't want to do that. I just want to wait for SKUgrid once. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to open it up, go to the link, and I'm not going to do this whole list on a video, obviously, because it would take a while. And now you guys can see what the name of the item is. And the fastest way to find the item on Walmart is to just Google the description, because the description was pulled from a Walmart URL. So here it is. And now what we do, I guess we should have two tabs like this, is we just replace by pasting it. And there you go. Then what we're going to do is do a couple other edits to the SKUgrid document, and then we should be able to just upload this back into SKUgrid, because it's not too many items. It's only 1,000 items. In the past, I had to break everything up because I was working with like 80,000 items, right? We're only working with 1,000 for this, which is going to be a huge blessing. So what I need to figure out is kind of a faster way to do this, because this is how I'm thinking about it in my head at the moment, but let's try with 5 of them. So let's copy these. That's 5 of them. We're going to go into Session Buddy, my typical go-to tools, right? And open these 5 tabs. We're going to open them. And then I should just be able to wait for each one to load and then to take it to the next page, right? So we're actually going to skip this one because there's a story behind that, but it's the same item that's posted twice. So we're only going to be working with 4 items. Okay, that's good to know. So fastest way, like I said, we don't even care about this part. We're just copying the description into the URL bar, going to the next one. Going down, copying the description into the URL bar. Most of the time, the description is unique enough that we're not going to have other items show up, and we can say with mostly certainty that the Walmart item that shows up is the actual one that we want. But here, this is an example of, okay, this item doesn't have any information in the listing. So we need to copy just a little bit of the title, keeping in mind that my titles are optimized now, so I can't just copy the whole title like I can in my bulk account. But we should just be able to do this. Bum, bum, and then bum. And this item, now we should just be able to open Session Buddy, click on this, and click Export. And so now we have our item links right here. These 4. I'll copy them. And then I should just be able to paste them like here. Oh, right into it, right? Boom. No, didn't work. Why is that not working? Oh, did I never click copy, maybe? Copy. Close. Now we go here. And can I just paste there? There we go. Okay, that's much better. All right, so see, now we've replaced the links with... and honestly, I shouldn't be doing it this way. What I should be doing is putting it in a new column right here. That way, I can take a sample of the documents, right? So once I'm done getting all these links, then I can just double check a couple of them to make sure that they are the item we want, because this should be a 14-piece kitchen shelving system. So if we look at the listing, okay, it is right, okay. But if we just eliminate the listing like I was doing there, I lose that kind of reference. So what I should do, and what I will do now moving forward, is paste them into this column here, and then at the end, once I'm done, I'm going to check a couple of them throughout the document to make sure that I didn't lose sync at any point. And then I will just copy all of them right over. So then it'll be fine. So let's see. Can we do this on a bit of a bigger scale? That would be useful, as usual. Why do I feel like there was oh no, there was a mistake. Okay, cool, sweet. So now what we're going to do is we're going to highlight these because they're done. Just so I can keep track of them. I obviously don't have to do this part. It's not absolutely necessary. We're going to go with like a light blue, okay? And now we're going to go from 8 until 17. We're going to try and do 10 of them. And I'm going to highlight them while they're selected now, just for the heck of it. We're going to change the shade by a little bit. There we go. I like doing that just so you can see each batch that you did. Makes it easier to keep track of things. So now we're going to go import. There's probably a faster way to do this, like I said, but the faster way that I'm going to use is this, just on a bigger scale. So I'll open up like 50 tabs at a time and do the same commands through all of them, and then we'll be done, right? But I'm not going to show all of that on a video because I don't think... Yeah, I'm 8 minutes into this right now, and there's 1,000 entries to do, and I've done like 7. So once I establish a system, it'll work, but... This is my first time doing this kind of thing, so we don't really have an established system in place yet. Come on, select everything, or not, whatever. Boom, next. So there are going to be times where this system doesn't work. And now I have a question for myself. Do I want to... Alright, I'm going to include out-of-stock items just because there's a chance that they actually are in stock. So, oh, and this one says a warranty in it. Oh no! I'm not too worried about that. You can't really do much about it with bulk. I could edit them out, but... And this will be prone to errors, obviously, as you guys can tell. Like, there's an easier way to do this. And honestly... The best way that I should have done this is that I would have maintained the link from my original posting item list and my posted item list. And if I hadn't changed like the titles, then what I could have done is alphabetize them, and then the list would be identical because the titles would be similar, using some tricks in Sublime Text. there are things I could have done earlier to mark the items to make this part much faster, but I didn't do them, so I got to kind of do this manually, or at least a sped up manual version of it. Boom, 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 boom. You go, horse. Heal yourself. That's great. There's a lot of this /p tag. I hope that doesn't screw the search up. We will see. Ugh, that's not enough information. Okay, we're going to add some stuff here. Walmart, peanut. Oh, this isn't peanut, is it? Maybe it is. Who knows? Bum, 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 bum. There's probably a faster way to do this. What if I just Walmart the UPC? Walmart, and then the UPC code. Is that going to work? No. Okay. What if I Walmart the MPN? Walmart MPN. Walmart.com? Huh? Yeah. No, that's not working. Okay. Well, I guess we're just going to have to keep doing it that way. So I don't want to do too many of these at once because it's kind of in my best interest to be able to remember what the item is so I can make sure that I'm picking the right one. Like, oh, it does help when they're already highlighted because that means I've clicked on it in the past. So that's a kind of safety net kind of thing. 4 pounds of parrot food. Was that right? Was it 4 pounds? I don't know. 3D premium parrot food. Well, this is going to be fun. Okay, see, like that, that's good. That means that it's likely to be the right item because I've clicked on it in the past when I was getting the item in the first place, so that makes it much easier. I think this is the first time in my life I've been really helped by my browsing history. Thank you. Thank you, Google Chrome. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, this is where the frickin' paragraph thing came in. Ugh, that's gonna screw everything up, isn't it? See, now everything's slow and laggy. I can't really do bulk work while recording, unfortunately. I can do like samples of the bulk work, but alas. Oh, whale. Okay, where is the Walmart link? All right, let's add Walmart and then go to the end here and get rid of this. Hopefully that's enough. And this one just froze. Come on. Oh, it doesn't matter. I have the link. Yeah, the web page doesn't have to load. I just have to have the link in the bar, and then it will work. Here we go. Thank you. I think I'm going to come to rely on this purple link thing. And I've also, okay, I have learned that this P here screws everything up. It's some HTML that's just like kind of bleeding through. Sweet. There we go. Now just 2 more. Ah, great. Adams, crunchy, 100% natural, 30. Is this it? I think it was. I think. I need to see the photo though. Bum bum. If any of you guys have an idea of a faster way to do this, that would be awesome. Crap, is this right? Let's check it. I don't remember. It may actually be faster to do it one by one just to get rid of this kind of ambiguousness that I'm doing now. But what? Where's this item on Walmart? Walmart.com. Oh, not .com. That's not what I want. .com. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, Internet. You can do it. For future reference, I should not record while doing this many tabs and doing this. Good to know. Meanwhile, let's check that item. Bum bum. What are we getting at? There's some other stuff I want to talk about. All right, so I'm just going to finish these 10, and then we're going to look at, I showed you guys sales. I'm going to, oh yeah, I haven't checked to see if I got any sales today. So I will check that. Here we go, this is what we want. Bum bum. I think so, at least. Great. 26-inch necks. Great. Oh, here we go. It's this. No, okay. I don't know. Here we go. Adam's creamy. Ooh, I think I picked crunchy. Nope, that's not what I want. This one. Adam's crunchy. Yeah, okay. So it's almost right, but it was the wrong link. I almost sold someone crunchy peanut butter instead of creamy. Oh, that's like the worst thing you can do to somebody who wants peanut butter. People are really picky about their crunchy or creamy peanut butter. Why is it everybody feels like they gotta pick a side? Have you guys noticed that? I've noticed that in my personal life. Like, people are like, oh, you either like coffee or you like tea. Like, you can like both of them, right? I mean, I enjoy espresso, and I drink tea all the time. That's okay, right? Just because I like coffee doesn't mean I have to hate tea, does it? Okay, now what about this collar? Great. So let's check this item as well. Obviously, I'm not being efficient at all right now. And I'm not really trying for efficiency at the moment. I'm just kind of going at this and being like, all right, I need to do this 1,000 times. Let's kind of mess around a little bit, talk about what's going through my head, and then get some reflection and see. Okay, so this is Adam's flea and tick. What size? Fits up to 26-inch neck. Okay, so I guess that is the size here. So are we doing a small or a large? I guess I could just look at the price, right? $20. Seresto? Oh, I'm looking at Adams. There we go. I'm looking at the wrong link here. Adams. Huh. I don't even see. All right, let's go to Walmart.com. And then, what was this called? Flea and tick control collar. Okay. I can kind of remember the parts that I edited and the parts that I added. So, flea and tick control collar. I think this is going to show the actual item because I added the rest of the stuff to the title. Yeah, perfect. It's right here. Okay, so that's all I need. And that price is right. And so now we have all of our URLs. Good. So we are just going to click on Session Buddy, click Export, and then we're going to copy these 10 URLs. Right click, copy, close. If we paste them here, it should go to the bottom. Yay! All right, so there's probably a way to compare these items faster, but we're not going to worry about that. Now you guys understand, okay, once this is done, we will have all of our items in SKUgrid being checked for prices, and we basically posted the items for free because we just used a free Pricematik trial and we never actually paid for Pricematik. I do intend to pay for Pricematik at some point, but not yet. I want to kind of see how this goes and see what the series turns into. So now we can get rid of all this. And we can also get rid of this. Yes, we're going to save that. Save. Yes, it already exists. I'm fine with that. Now we're going to do... Oh, Wika's here. We are going to look at our email account real quick and see if we had any sales on the Pricematik account. No! Oh, well. So far we've had 9, which I am pleasantly surprised about. Definitely. Very much so. All right, is there anything else I want to talk to you guys about? I've been recording like these 3 series, right? There's the Operation X, this series, and then the Infinity series, and sometimes I lose track of which series I talked about what in. Because I'm going to continue all 3 of these. The idea is to do like, hopefully like 20, 30 videos at least, each showing how I'm growing each account, what my focus is, what my strategy is, what kind of issues come up, and showing you guys the numbers for all the money. Yay! Because that's something I never did in the past. So I'm going to show you all of that now so you guys can see like, okay, at what point Jack paid for this, he paid for this software, he paid this much for the repricers, he paid this much for the fees, at what point did it become profitable, right? Because right now we've lost money because we've paid for SKUgrid. We haven't had, we've also paid for our eBay store, right? So that's like our operating cost is about like $100. And obviously there's fees and all that kind of stuff, but basically $100. So we don't earn money until we earn more than $100 for the month. So there will be a point where that happens, and then I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys whether it happened in the first month and all that kind of stuff. Because right now I don't really have enough data of the sales and the issues in order to do those videos, because I'm not going to just do videos and be like, okay, this is what I'm doing today. It's going to be like, there's going to be less videos about each account in the future, because right now it's all set up, right? Setting everything up. Then in the future, it's going to be more videos about like either information with somebody. Like I'm going to have a video about on the Infinity series where I talk with Ken Ellis about the history of Infinity and that kind of thing. So I'll do some more videos like that. But in general, there's going to be way less once the account is set up, because I'm going to wait for like, okay, 15-day point. 15 days after the items were posted, what do we have so far? That kind of thing. And then do them on the optimized account and on the bulk account, right? All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video. Ciao.